The king and the old carpenter centuries ago, in an ancient kingdom, there lived a king who proudly believed he was wise and just. But he had one weakness. He loved praise and hated criticism. One day, the king announced that anyone who built the most beautiful wooden throne would receive a royal reward. Craftsmen came from everywhere, and among them was an old, humble carpenter carrying his wooden throne. When the king saw his work, he was amazed. Simple, strong, elegant, and perfectly balanced. Yet he asked, "Where did you learn such design?" The old carpenter smiled and replied, "Where education ends, experience begins, Your Majesty." This statement displeased the king. Everyone else praised him, but this old man simply spoke the truth. Angrily, the king said, "If you are so wise, build a better throne in one day." The old man bowed humbly and replied, "Wisdom needs no time, Your Majesty, but beauty does. I can build it in a day, but it will not please your pride." The king fell silent. For the first time, he truly listened. Then he declared, "A true craftsman is the one who has the courage to speak the truth." He appointed the old carpenter as the royal master, and for the first time the kingdom heard a new royal decree.